Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Apple Card. To begin, you can easily apply for the Apple Card directly through the Wallet app on your iPhone in just a few minutes. Once approved, you can immediately start using it with Apple Pay for secure, contactless payments at millions of locations worldwide. You will also begin earning daily cash on your eligible purchases right away, making it simple to get started. The Apple Card offers a straightforward rewards program called Daily Cash. You will earn 3% daily cash on all purchases made directly with Apple, including the App Store and Apple services. For every purchase made using Apple Pay, you receive 2% daily cash. All other purchases made with your physical titanium card or online will earn 1% daily cash, deposited daily into your Apple Cash card. Managing your finances with Apple Card is incredibly intuitive. The Wallet app provides clear, color-coded spending categories, helping you visualize where your money goes each month. You can easily see your interest charges and explore various payment options to help you pay less interest over time. Furthermore, the card offers advanced security features and strong privacy protection, ensuring your financial data remains safe. So, is the Apple Card worth it for you? It boasts no annual fees and no foreign transaction fees, making it a cost-effective option for many. Its transparent interest rate structure helps you understand your costs clearly. If you frequently use Apple Pay and make purchases from Apple, the daily cash back can add up significantly. Ultimately, its value depends on your spending patterns and preference for its integrated financial tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.